channel. So in this video, I'm going to put together my 4th adjustable desk that I ordered for Amazon. And when I say 4, I mean it's the 4th one, okay? I have 2 big ones that I use for my office craft room. I have a black one and I have a white one. I use it for my crafting area, and then I have a black one, small one, in my bedroom. So when I don't feel like being in my office and want to watch TV or even eat or do little things here and there at nighttime, I have my black smaller one adjustable desk in my bedroom. And now this one I just received from the Amazon Influencer Program, Creative Connections Program. I have a white adjustable desk, and I got this one because mainly I am going to be starting a full-time teacher position coming in August, and I wanted to use this for my classroom. So I'm going to put this one up together and show you guys what it's like, and I just cannot wait to use it in my classroom for this school year. Yeah, clap it up. But yeah, let me put this together and show you guys what it's like, what it looks like, and all the things that it came with. And of course, it's from Amazon. I will link this in the description. And let's get to it. And I got my favorite tool.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I'm my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, it had to find me. Now I'm on beat, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.
desk. I put up within like 20 minutes. So this is perfect for me when I want to walk around my classroom and just swivel around with it. I'm tall, so this works perfectly. What I do love about this is that it tilts over. So I have to tilt it. And if I have like a book or I want to read something I don't want the kids to see or anybody to see, it holds up. I'm not going to put my laptop there, but I do plan on having an iPad with me at school sometimes. So, but here's an example of a book. I'm using my daughter's Bible book. And like you see how it's holding up. I can read. I can adjust it this way. That's perfect. Ooh. And if somebody wants to have it lower, we'll just tilt this back and forth right here. And to lower it is right here. Push it down. Oh, there you go. Maybe if I want my daughter to, well, I'm taking this to school, but if I was keeping it at home or whatever, and my daughter wants to use this for her homework, matter of fact, I should get something like this for her room, for homework, and then go bring it up. And that's it. So I will leave the link in the description for this adjustable desk, and also the other 3 that I do have. Like, I'm obsessed with it. But that is all. That was a quick video I wanted to do, a tutorial video of putting this desk together. And I cannot wait to put this in my classroom, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to do some more unboxing and putting together DIY things that I purchased or received for free from Amazon, or just to go around my house or my classroom to show you how I put things together, and with my favorite drill. And one thing about this drill, I bought this last year, April or May. And I think I charged this like twice. I don't use it as a lot, but I do use it a lot, if that makes sense. And I didn't really have to charge it as much, but this is a really good drill. Like, I love it. I wish it had it in pink, and it came with a lot of bits. So this really works well for me, and it's easy. So also when I do other DIY projects, and my kids that are 8 and 3 wants to help, this works good for them. It's not as heavy, and it's perfect. So check you guys in the next video. Peace.